Welcome back, guys. We're back at it again. We're in Irwindale Speedway. What's
going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Look at guys, we're rocking the Rich hoodie. This is the new hoodie.
Don't make one that says poor.
It's like a washed gray, super nice material. Look at the hood. Got the laces. I like this part too right here. This is very nice. I'll show you guys the back once we get parked up and situated, but today we're at Irwindale Speedway, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail. Nikon and Daniel are gonna both be racing their cars tonight. Guys, a bunch of fast cars come here. This is my first time actually coming to Irwindale Speedway to see people like drag race. I've never seen this. I came here for Beamer Invasion, they had it here, but I've never actually seen people race.
Are you gonna sit next to me while I race?
I'm down.
You hold my thigh?
I can't do that to Nick G.
That's fucked up.
But yeah, as you can see, it's a bunch of crazy fast cars here, and it's every Thursday.
Are based on age of the driver, and those ages limit the.
I think you might be the fastest car here, G.
No.
Oh, bro, he's got a parachute in the back. Holy shit, dude! You guys see that? He's got a parachute. He's got two of them? No way. He's got two parachutes, dude.
Limitation of 1290.
Damn. Oh my, look at the freaking Hellcat, dude, with the parachute in the back. Yo, these cars don't play. This is for fast boys. There's no way the M4 would do good here. Apparently you gotta go register and they gotta check your car out, make sure everything is good to go. As you guys can see, you drive through here.
No NOS.
Make sure you have no NOS in the car.
You've been here before, right?
Just for Beamer Invasion.
Oh, you haven't?
I've never been here for to see them drag race.
Yeah, alright, cool. So this is gonna be my first and this first.
You excited?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
It's gonna be crazy, bro.
I'm gonna mess up, I know that.
Bro, there's a lot of fast cars here. What's up, fam? What's good? You guys excited?
Always.
It's gonna be crazy, huh? Bro, do you see the ones with two parachutes?
The Hellcat?
That shit's crazy. Yeah, that one has two freaking parachutes too. But yeah, guys, you see we got the homie Daniel's G80. They got them numbered up. Same thing with Nikon, they got them numbered up. Bro, this is gonna be crazy to see both these cars. Show you guys the back of the hoodie. See, we got both of the cars. It says Double Trouble, and then it's got like the lettering in the back. It talks about the United 2 and the M4, like how limited they are and stuff like that. But that's the back of the hoodie. You can see it's like a washed gray or black, whatever you want to call it. Then we got the Rich logo up here in the front, as you guys can see. And like I said, I like the quality of the hoodie. It's very light. It's nothing like too crazy or heavy, anything like that. So it's perfect for like this type of weather. Like it's not like too hot, not too cold. I feel like you could wear it. Just wear like a little like thin t-shirt under, and you're good to go. They are true to size. So this is an XL, and I tried on the double X, and it fits too, but it's a little bit too big for me. But like I said, if you guys like more true to size, then go with whatever size you guys normally wear. If you guys like to go a little bit oversized, then go one size up. But this is an XL, and yeah, that's how it fits. So I like the material. Like I said, it's like a washed gray, and but like I said, the hoodies will drop next Friday on April 26th, 12 p.m. Eastern time. So you guys got to go and cop the merch. And like I said, it's a limited drop. There's only, I think, like 50 pieces made. So if you guys don't cop the merch, then you guys missed out, because I will not be dropping these hoodies again. So anyways, on with the rest of the video. Look at that. Who do you think's gonna have the fastest car here?
What do you think, bro?
Damn, my G's super confident. I like that. My G's bro, look at that shit. What the? I smell the E85 in that thing. There's Nikon and Daniel. Unfortunately, we had to get out of the car because we don't have a certain wristband. But yeah, apparently, like if we wanted to be in the car with them, we can do it, but we gotta like sign up and sign a waiver and stuff like that. But we're just gonna watch from the bleachers. I think it's safer that way too. The S2K. We got the Mustang. Ah, damn, it's got a fat tires. Look at that. That's crazy. Bro, I don't think that shit fits me.
Bro, it fits me. There's no way it doesn't fit you. Is it recording?
Yeah.
I tried my GTS. Yeah. My merch truck.
Rich! Alright. Damn, guys. because somebody spilled oil. So, damn. Damn, look at that one. What the?
Drop and off they go. Better react to start. Number white way. No 6 or 1 White way to have more power way out to the front. White way.
No way. The battle of the Teslas.
Red line. Start. Here's the right way. Here's the BMW. Bring money with you, BMW. Oh, that went back down enough. Now pulls back in. Gallons in the left lane. An hour. I'm going to run punch that here.
big homie Daniel. Look at all the cars, guys. To wait for them again, forget it. We'd be waiting all night.
And it wouldn't.
It wouldn't do.
Do I need to have like
Is
full
your traction on 10?
Yeah.
Is it on or off?
It's on.
Oh, it's supposed to be off, bro.
Okay.
I
So
thought 10 was on.
we'll get another shot though.
All right, guys. After some racing, it's time to get some Raising Cane's. Time to feed our bellies. Time for some Raising Cane's?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Damn, Danny got the VIP spot in the front. You hit it? Oh my gosh, bro. Damn, that was close, bro.
It's the front camera.
Holy
It kind of gives you a good angle.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.